I could have definitely gotten a few more months out of these tires. They're over 4.5 years old and they're cupping. Welcome back to the channel. Good to have you here. Terry, ODTRP. What we got going on today is finally we're getting new tires on our Rocket 3 GT. The appointment moved 3 times. I'm making about a 30-mile ride. I've given up on Detroit Triumph 98%. They're pricing the way you're treated, the high rotation of mechanics. There's a biker right there. Just making the ride in. I probably got like 26 miles left. I'll come back when we get to the dealership. Thanks for being here. I stopped here at Bates Burgers on Middle Belt, established in 1959. It was like time didn't move when I went in there. Just got me some biscuits and gravy. I was running ahead of schedule. Just real quickly, I could have definitely gotten a few more months out of these tires, but they're over 4.5 years old and they're cupping front and rear, and I'll come back with the new tires on the bike. Just had a decent breakfast at Bates, and we're about a mile away from Dick Scott's Triumph in Livonia and Middle Belt. I gotta say, what a beautiful ride here. All 2 lanes, all trees. Just a beautiful ride through some great areas, perfect motorcycle roads with curves, all that good stuff. So like I had said, my tires are over 4.5 years old, and it's time for them to go.
What's going on, everybody? It's Slick from Motor City 2 Up, hanging with my boy
Terry from On Down the Road Productions.
And we riding today. We come to Dick Scott to check him out. He is gonna be in here. You work here, right?
No,
you just coming to check out?
I'm getting new tires. I had to wait for him to come in.
Coming to get new tires, and we're gonna go in there and check out some stuff while he's here.
Make sure you hit up their channel, everyone.
Absolutely. Thank you, brother.
You're welcome.
Terry, these aren't stickers, right?
Yeah, they're kind of hard to get started.
I'm like, wait a minute. Okay.
Terry here. I'm here with Motor City 2 Up at Dick Scott Triumph in Livonia.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Big L, Motor City 2 Up, man. Please check out our channel when you get a chance, man. It's all about motorcycles, motorcycle family. Everybody stay safe.
Right
Love
on.
Terry, man.
Yeah, all right. Thank you.
No problem.
You might hear some TV in the background. They've got my bike in, and I'm looking at an additional $348 in labor. When they're done, I'll let them dispose of my original Avon Cobras. Just got the word, my bike is ready. Alrighty.
New tires on there for you.
I bet you they look good.
Yes. Looks like the tech does have a note in here that front wheel bearings have a very slight notching to them and does recommend replacement.
Okay, I'll do that on the 8th. How much is that to do?
Let's see here. The bearings themselves are $35.32.
Okay.
2 seals come with it. That's another $17.38. And then probably be looking at about an hour of labor for that.
I'll do it. I have an appointment, and that's a safety issue. So that would affect the right turning of the bike, wouldn't it?
Not necessarily just
The
the right
notchy?
hand, but
I mean, they'll last until the 8th, right?
yes.
Okay. Alrighty. Oh, yeah, no, you know, bike's almost 5 years old, so I'll do that specifically on the 8th for my appointment now.
Okay, finished up paying, wrapping up this episode. Let's go out and look at these new tires. I have a feeling I'll be suitably impressed. And again, I'll have to come back to get the front wheel bearings done. I'm not going to mess with that. You know, it's okay to ride the bike, but they're starting to go, and I just won't mess with that. All right. Hey, here's my bike.
Now I'm excited. So I talked about the Metzeler tire pattern for water evacuation. Look at this. So when I'm rain riding, okay, look at that. That is remarkable. Let's look at the back one.
These are Metzeler Marathon tires. Look at that. So this is exactly what I wanted. Time to wrap up the episode. They no longer make the Metzeler ME888 Marathon tires, but they can still be ordered for your Rocket 3 GT or Rocket 3R motorcycles. Guys, I appreciate you guys watching this. I'm so excited to have new tires on my Rocket 3 GT motorcycle, and like I said, it's coming back to Dick Scott Powersports in July for new front wheel bearings. They're also going to try and trace my TFT issue, so I have a funny feeling they're going to fix it. They did great work on my tires today, and the ride here is beautiful. Alright guys, time to go. Thank you for your likes and shares. We appreciate you, our channel growth, and love your comments. If you guys, doesn't matter what kind of motorcycle you have, if you're looking for tires, drop it in comments and maybe we can get a discussion going around that. Alright guys, do your best, have empathy for everyone, get right back up in life, and we'll see you next episode. Our best. We think of you.
So far so good. These new tires are awesome. Can't wait for them to be fully broken in. Working good.